Hi, Duran here from the Climate Center, and welcome to the latest in our Business Network Spotlight series. Today, we're at Guayaki Yerba Mate in Petaluma, California, to learn how one company is protecting the rainforest, protecting indigenous communities, supporting justice here at home, and protecting the climate, all while creating a super tasty and delicious product. Let's go find out what they're doing.
You know, oftentimes people talk about Guayaki as a cup of hope. I can just crack my Guayaki Yerba Mate and take a deep sip and know that I'm breathing in the forest, that I'm really a part of this bigger movement that we're driving this progressive change. I think one of the areas that we aren't engaged enough has been in public policy. And so by partnering with groups like the Climate Center, we can address some of the changes that need to happen at a government level. We can really start to leverage the power of business networks.
We like to say we have a market-driven regeneration business model. And what we mean by that is that we integrate regeneration into the way we do business. And it's driven by the market because consumers love to purchase something they feel good about.
Really from the beginning, the idea was to take this powerful plant, bring it back to the rainforest where it natively grows, partner with communities, indigenous and small family farms, and create this amazing product that we could then share with people across the United States and ultimately around the world. Yerba mate is the leaf from a rainforest tree, and it is rich in antioxidants and lots of vitamins and minerals. It helps stimulate the mind and induce mental clarity. It's also important to recognize that it's really the national drink in Argentina and Paraguay and Uruguay, southern Brazil. And a big part of what mate culture is all about is you stop and you sit and you communicate and connect. So we set out a goal to steward and restore 200,000 acres by 2020, and we just accomplished it. So we're super excited. We're not done.
This year, we're launching 4 new impact targets. Regeneration of 2 million acres of rainforest, net zero by 2030.
The third thing that we want to do that's also, as important as everything else is really make Guayaki a very inclusive, diverse, and engaging place to work. And then finally, we want to share the regenerative spirit of yerba mate.
It is possible to be a renter and bring solar power to your building. In Sonoma County, we have the county providing financing. And so we worked with the landlord to put on a 60 kilowatt solar array on top of our roof. We have a target of a renewable energy powered fleet. And we started out with the Chevy Bolts, and we worked with GM directly to get a cargo version. We're really waiting for electric vans and the technology to evolve.
And we felt like there was this real opportunity to be able to connect the social justice movement with also the environmental justice movement.
And so when it came to our distribution company, we made a choice to look for programs that are re-entry programs to hire formerly incarcerated.
One of my primary focuses is our G3 program. The G3 stands for Guidance, Growth, Greatness, and it's our program that helps provide meaningful wage opportunities and support to people that are formerly incarcerated. In 2.5 years, we've hired over 250 people coming home from incarceration. Some of our best managers are individuals who have a background.
We're reaching those goals and dreams that we thought were never for us. I'm gonna go to school and I'm gonna become somebody because you know what? I am somebody. That doesn't exist without a company like this. It's awesome. I just can't wait for what's next.
Every time you put a can on that shelf or a customer purchases that can, you're not only helping to regenerate the planet, but you're literally giving someone, a real person, an opportunity and a second chance.
I think it's just incumbent upon businesses to use the vast resources they have to really solve problems and to really drive progressive change.
Wow, that was really inspiring. What an incredible company and what wonderful people. We hope you'll consider joining Guayaki and all the members of our business network, and consider endorsing our climate-safe California platform that shows us a pathway to zero emissions by 2030 here in California by going to our website at theclimatecenter.org. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time, and I think I'm going to go get myself a mate.